What's up, guys? This is Theo here coming to you live with another coding tutorial. So one of my subscribers asked me how to, I think it was the Ezio Auditore, asked me how to um, serialize a form without using jQuery.serialize. So we're going to use jQuery. We're not going to use the serialize method. We're going to build our own. So we're going to have a function called um, serialize form, and all this is going to do when we call it, it's going to take a form element. So we're going to say var form. We're going to grab the form on the page. Okay. And then let's build out a form real quick. So let me get jQuery in here real quick. Import it. Cool. And okay. So let's get rid of our JavaScript real quick. So we have our form. We want input type of text. And then we want a name of, let me go back. Form action, yeah, let me take that. Okay, so we want input type of text. Want a name is name. And input type of text and name equals age. So, cool. And then we want a input type submit. And then, well, we'll just do a button. We'll just change this around a little bit just for this demonstration. On click, it's going to be serialize form, and we'll just make sure we're getting into our function. So let's just console.log hit function, and so we have Theo22 hit function. Okay, cool. And this button will just say serialize form. Let's do a line break, and we'll do a few labels like we did last night. So we'll do label for name, and this will have an ID of name, and this we'll do one more label for age, and an ID of age. So cool, guys. That's our simple form. And then let's put one more break right there. Maybe we'll add two. It's not the best looking, but it'll get the job done. And cool. So once we hit, it'll hit the function, and then what we want to do is let's console.log the form. Let's see what we get. So we get the whole form. Cool. Okay, let's look for our inputs, and then that'll be form. Form.children. So let's log out inputs now. Let's just see what we're getting now. Form.children. Form.children. Actually, no, we'll just get the inputs. We don't even need the form really just for this demonstration. So let's do var inputs is going to be anything with a label input. And then let's console.log inputs and see what we get. So we're going to serialize the form. Okay, cool. So I think, yeah, two nodes. That's what we want. Now let's do create a string, set it equal to empty, and here we can do dot each inputs. This will take in a function, a value, an index, and let's just log out the value. Let's see what we actually get here. Name Theo, age is 22. Serialized form, so we get 0, 1. Okay. Value is that, so actually it's the other way around. Let's do index and value. Okay, so let's try this again. name Theo age 23. So it's not the value we want. We want the value. Let's think. What is it? Value dot let me think. What is it? Value dot So it's going to be text content. I think it's going to be the text content. Text content. And make sure this is working. Serialize form. Okay, cool. Now let's try it with name Theo age 23. No, it's not that. Value. Let me try one more time. Value dot value. Theo age 23. Serialize. Okay, so I think it's value dot value is what we're looking for. Took a while to find, but and 23. So now we get our values back. Cool. And what we want to do is, so say we have two strings. Now we can, let me think. So we can, we'll do this. We will do string plus or equal to value dot value. And then in here we'll just return our string. So let's see if this actually works. Name Theo age 23. And here we'll just console not return it. Let's console.log out our string. And then let's name Theo age 23. Theo 23. Okay, cool. So if we wanted that name property in there, we could do this. So we have our string down here. We do var changed string, set that equal to empty string, and then we can do, since we know we have two inputs, you could get a count right here and then put the and symbol in, but since we have two, we can just do changed string equals change string plus or equals string dot splice 0 to 4. Let's console.log change string to make sure we're actually getting back what we want. Name Theo age 23. Not splice, sorry, slice. Theo age 23. Okay, so we got that back, and then we want so it'll be name equals plus or equal to name equals plus string dot slice, and then we also want changed string plus or equal to the ampersand name or age equals plus string dot slice. It'll be 5 to string dot length -1, and then if we log out change string, this should give us what we want. Let's double check. Name Theo age 23. Name Theo equals age 23. 5 to maybe that doesn't work. I think, what would it be? I guess it'd be 4 to 6. So name Theo age 23. Okay, cool. So now we're getting that same query string right there. So pretty awesome. Obviously it won't work depending on what name you put in there, but say we put in John and 25, we're gonna get that same little query string. And then if you wanted to, say we get that back, we can always split it. So var split equals change string dot split, and then we can split on this delimiter, the ampersand, and then we can just console.log split of 0, split of 1. And now, do Theo 23, and we'll get this, then name equals Theo, age equals 23. And then you can, keep parsing that even more if you want. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Always appreciate the feedback. Hope that answers your questions of why you'd want to do it. I don't think you necessarily would want to build a custom function, but just to sort of see, so you can see my thought process behind it. I mean, I'm sure I could add more implementation, but yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Take care.